The kite cut diamond is an extraordinary and artistic shape, inspired by the geometric elegance of a kite. Its design features four distinct edges, with two longer sides meeting at a pointed tip and two shorter sides connecting at the base. This unique silhouette adds a striking and modern flair to jewelry, making it a popular choice for those seeking unconventional beauty. Kite cut diamonds are often used as accent stones in intricate jewelry designs, especially in vintage or Art Deco inspired pieces. Their angular shape creates a dynamic visual effect, adding depth and character to rings, earrings, and pendants. When paired with other geometric cuts, such as baguettes or trillion cuts, kite diamonds contribute to a stunning and harmonious composition. What sets the kite cut apart is its bold, contemporary aesthetic and ability to complement both traditional and avant garde settings. Its distinctive appearance and subtle sparkle make it a favorite among designers and wearers who appreciate jewelry that stands out with unique sophistication. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.